Play hand and foot canasta online, just like sitting around the table. Have you ever wanted to play hand and foot canasta with friends, even when everyone lives in different states or even different countries? Well, now you can. I'm excited to introduce to you playhandandfoot.com online version of hand and foot that feels like sitting around a kitchen table with your favorite cards playing with friends. What I love most is what it doesn't have. No flashy animations, no distracting advertisements, and no need to download. It's just simple, authentic game where the focus stays on playing cards, chatting, and having fun. If you already have a regular group, it's incredibly easy. Start a free game with the code Canasta Class. Choose your game settings. Create game. Share the room code with friends. Invite your friends, or add auto players. Turn your video on if you'd like, and also audio. This is the best feature, I think, of this version of Play Hand and Foot. And enjoy conversation with friends and banter that you usually do in your regular hand and foot game. This is so much fun. Start the game. You'll get your first 3 games for free, and if you use the code Canasta Class, you'll receive 1 bonus free game. So there's no risk. Give it a try. Play anywhere. You can play on your iPad, your laptop, your iPhone. If you're using an iPhone, open the game in Safari, tap Share button, and then choose an Add to Home Screen so it's always on your phone. It works just like any app without downloading one. What makes this version different of Hand and Foot, if you're already familiar with it, you appreciate some of the unique rules in this platform. Players receive 2 hands of 11 cards, and you can actually see the bottom of each card pile before deciding which will become your hand. You draw 2 cards every turn. It makes the game move at a nicer pace. One of my favorite features if you're on your iPhone is the T2 button. You just click it and it makes drawing 2 cards quick and effortless. You first need 90 points to open, select cards, and meld. Finalize your opening meld or cancel, and then discard. You can see who's playing what by scrolling down. Oh look, aces and 8s. If I discard the 8, Sam can pick the pack, so I won't want to do that. This discard pile has an interesting strategy too. You can pick it up immediately by using the top card in a valid meld, whether that's building a set or even an existing set. You can even do a straight in this canasta game. It's rewarding to build canastas. There's a few highlights. This game supports 2 to 8 players. You play individual rather than partnership. You can add an auto player if you wish to practice. On your meld, you can continue to add cards to completed canastas. But remember, don't pick that pack. You have to get into your foot. Let's start melding to get into our foot. Click. You can either click the discard or drag it, or you could do the same when melding. You can drag a meld or click and hit discard. You need 1 red canasta and 1 black in order to go out. You can't take the king on the top of the deck once a canasta is completed. You can only take the discard pile when you can add the meld to your existing meld or create a new meld. You can add a king if it's in your hand, and you can add it to a closed canasta. Sam took the discard pile. He lays down his additional cards. And once you lay down all your cards from your hand, it will go directly into your foot. You do need a red canasta and a black canasta to go out. You can float when you don't qualify to go out. As I mentioned, you must complete your hand before moving into your foot. Player who reaches 10,000 points wins the game after multiple rounds. Going out requires one natural red canasta and one mixed black canasta. There are also exciting bonus books here, including natural twos wildcard books, meaning mixed wild cards, and even 7-card straight. You're limited to 3 wilds per canasta. Whether you're teaching hand and foot, playing with family, or keeping your regular card group together, I think you'll enjoy how natural this game feels online. If you give it a try, let me know what you think. Email me at mahjongclass@yahoo.com. Visit playhandandfoot.com. Play your first 3 games for free, and don't forget to use the code Canasta Class for your bonus game. Or click the link in the description below. I'll see you at the table. Happy playing, and don't forget to invite me.